Welcome back. We are studying how artificial intelligence, or AI, is influencing the development of information technology today as we explore into the fascinating world of AI. A number of industries are currently using AI, which has improved the efficiency and ease of our lives. What does AI's future hold? Let's explore. The power of AI. Artificial intelligence is a groundbreaking technology that empowers machines to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions, just like humans. Right now, AI is already making an impact in industries such as healthcare, finance, and customer service. But its true potential lies in transforming information technology. The revolution in AI subfield of computer science called artificial intelligence enables machines to carry out activities that ordinarily call for human intelligence. AI has grown fast over time thanks to improvements in processing power and data availability. Recommendation systems, self-driving cars, virtual assistants, and other applications are only a few of the current uses for AI. AI in everyday life. How AI will be included in our daily life is one of the most fascinating aspects of this technology. Consider waking up in a smart house that anticipates your requirements, regulates the temperature to your preference, and makes your preferred breakfast without you having to do anything. Your new best pals will be AI-powered personal assistants who can assist you with tasks and understand natural language. For business and industry. In the world of business, AI will improve decision-making processes, optimize supply chains, and streamline operations in the commercial world. AI-powered analytics will help businesses acquire a deeper understanding of consumer behavior, resulting in more effective marketing campaigns and better customer experiences. AI for healthcare. Healthcare will be significantly changed by AI. The healthcare sector will undergo a transformation as a result of AI, which will help doctors diagnose ailments more quickly and precisely and analyze massive volumes of medical data for individualized therapies. It will boost patient outcomes, lessen medical mistakes, and increase accessibility to healthcare for more people around the world. AI for scenes in education. A further field where AI is expected to significantly impact is education. Intelligent tutoring systems will adjust to different learning preferences, personalizing and improving education. Additionally, AI has the ability to automate administrative work, giving the teachers to concentrate on what they do best, inspire young minds. In the future, AI is expected to revolutionize the field of information technology. Imagine a world where routine tasks are automated and machines can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds. With AI, businesses can optimize their operations, increase productivity, and make smarter decisions. The advantages of AI. AI with information technology has countless advantages. AI is a game changer, from chatbots that offer immediate customer care to predictive analytics that help firms stay ahead of the competition. Our digital world's security is boosted by its ability to analyze complicated data, spot irregularities, and even thwart cyber attacks. The potential risks. It's important to recognize that there may also be issues related to AI. There are worries that when tasks are automated by AI, jobs may be lost. But keep in mind that AI can also provide new employment prospects by focusing on professions that value human creativity and sensitivity. Embracing the future. Embracing AI is the key to unlocking its true potential. By working hand in hand with AI, humans can focus on higher value tasks while machines handle repetitive ones. This symbiotic relationship will lead to increased efficiency and innovation. Collaboration between humans and AI. Instead of fearing AI as a replacement for human jobs, we should embrace it as a powerful tool that can augment our abilities. Collaborating with AI, we can achieve feats that were previously unimaginable, leading to a future where humans and AI work together harmoniously. Ethical considerations. AI continues to evolve. It is essential to address ethical concerns. We must ensure that AI algorithms are unbiased and fair, protect user privacy, and implement proper regulations to prevent misuse of AI technology. A responsible approach to AI development will safeguard against unintended consequences. Collaborating for a better future. Collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and society is essential. Together, we can shape the future of AI responsibly. By investing in AI education and research, we equip ourselves to harness the full potential of this revolutionary technology. As we conclude this journey into the future of information technology and the role of AI, let's remember that AI is not just about machines and algorithms. It's about enhancing human capabilities, making our lives more comfortable, and fostering a better world for all. Thank you for being here today. If you find the following clip useful, please like and subscribe. Also, please share your opinions on how artificial intelligence will affect our future in the comments section below. Until next time, be interested and continue to discover the wonders of AI. Goodbye.